Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I shape this? Cipolle pasta, new pasta. I added salt, some pasta, cook it for 8 minutes. I added olive oil. I'm adding the onion, which is the main ingredient. I'm adding salt, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and I'll give it a good stir. And I like to stir fry for 1 minute. All my returnees, thank you. Thank you for returning. Like and share this video, guys. So I added the pasta that is cooked. So now I'll give it a good stir, and I like to simmer on a low heat for 2 seconds. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Look at it already and looking nice. I served it and I garnish it with oregano. Enjoy.